I know you might be thinking, how possible is this? Yes, this organization I'm about to share with you are willing to sponsor your coming to the UK, like full sponsorship, because they have part sponsorship and they have full sponsorship. So today's company is willing to sponsor you like all the way up until your food, your accommodation, your flight tickets. In fact, everything you spend on this pathway, they are willing to reimburse you back. They are willing to take care of all this. All right. And you can move with your family. And also remember that this is also a pathway for you to get your ILR, your indefinite leave to remain. Okay. And if it comes through, the remaining thing to get your sponsorship is just a snap of the finger. Okay. And you might be wondering, who is this person you're just seeing for the first time? In case you're just seeing me, my name is Ella Uche. This family believes in being the best we can be. And on this channel, I share opportunities around the world that can help you migrate easily, very affordable, and less stressful. That is what I do on this channel. Okay, welcome to the family. That means you should subscribe immediately so you don't miss on any updates that we give, because that is what I actually do. I go to canvas on updates and opportunities to share with my family members. So that is what we do. So sit tight and let us go into this. And to my returning subscribers, you're welcome back. You guys are lovely, and thank you for all your support, your likes, your shares, and your comments. I really appreciate them all. Thank you so much, guys. And one thing I want to say is this: you might be wondering, why am I having shadows behind my back? It's getting darker in the UK, and getting colder too, so you might be seeing not really very bright videos these days, but we know we can cope, right? Yes, what is more important is passing the information across. Okay, so guys, let's dive into this without wasting any of our time, because we need this information ASAP. Let's go. So the first organization we are going to be looking at is the YMCA, Greenhill YMCA. So this is a volunteering opportunity, and they have two types of volunteering. We have the summer volunteering and the year-long volunteering. For people that are outside UK, I know you might not like this, but nevertheless, it depends on what you want. So this year-long volunteering, it has to do with giving them your time, how volunteering job can be. I think I've spoken about this in one of my videos. I've spoken about this. So this opportunity is something I just brought to us so that we can be able to see, and those that want to be part of this, because there's so many benefits in this. And for you to join, you just have to contact this. Like, you have to send them an email on this, or you give them a ring. Okay, there's so many benefits in this. I will want us to see some of them. It says, how old do I need to be a volunteer? He said between from 18 years upwards, but there is no upper age limit. As you can see, there is no upper age limit. So I didn't say that. I am not the one that said that there is no upper age limit. And another question is this. It says, do I need a visa to apply? It says, if you wish to join our year-long program, you may be required to apply for the temporary visa, charity work visa, and the Greenhill will provide you with a certificate of sponsorship. As you can see, the certificate of sponsorship will be given to you. All right, so, and that's it. Let's see one of the questions, because these are the most asked questions. The next one says, do I get paid? All right, it says you'll be receiving an allowance of £65 per week to cover your food and personal needs. They are providing accommodation for you. All right, so look at it. The self-care accommodation is provided free of charge, so you have a place to live in, courtesy of them. So the food and any other thing, they supply toiletries too. So any other thing you think you might be needing money for, they are going to be providing for you. Okay, so that is the first company, as quick as it is. Having watched this video to this point, please like this video so that people can see it and apply for things like this. So how do I apply? Like I said earlier, it said if you want to apply as a volunteerer or receive further information volunteering at Greenhill YMCA, please contact Alexandra at volunteering recruitment at greenhill-ymca.org, or you call the phone number. All right, so that is that about this first company. Now this second company, it says every year the Mount Hill community welcomes a group of live-in international volunteering workers. Okay, it says no experience is necessary, because definitely they are going to be training you. Okay, and all they just need from you is the good ability to speak English. Just be able to speak little English. That's all they need from you. All right, and you must be committed to work with them for at least a year. Okay, that's the thing, and they are going to be training you. This is it, the Mount introduction course for the care certificate, accredited to level 2. Wow, okay, so they're going to be training you up to level 2. All right, so now let's look at this. It says applications for 2025 to 2026 are now open. The application form will stay open till January 2025, or until we have filled all vacancies, which may be earlier. You are therefore advised to apply as soon as possible to be with a chance of being considered. Okay, now let's see what is included and what is not included in the package of this volunteering job. It says your accommodation, soft furnishing, and food is covered. We also support with basic toiletries. I think the first company also does this too. As a volunteer, your room will have a bed, either a wardrobe or chest drawers, and all linen, bedding, duvet, sheets are provided, and other facilities in the house are communal. That means you have a room to yourself, and you might be sharing other things with other people. It says, how do I apply? It says we only accept application completed using the application form available on our website from November until the middle of February. We're already in November. That is why I'm bringing this opportunity to you, just in case it's something you are looking forward to, because with this opportunity, you're on your route to indefinite leave to remain, like I said earlier. Now, we have to take this to note. It says, as of 15th of November 2024, we are not able to consider any further applications from the continent of Africa due to the high volume of Africa applications we already have. You can imagine people are rushing them, people are actually rushing them. So, but if you're within Africa and you're watching this video, apply to the first company, because they never stated anything like this. So if you're outside Africa watching this video, you can apply. All right, so but if you're within Africa, you need to apply to the first company. I want us to look at this, how they can help you settle in. It says arriving in England. Now look at it. Let me quickly read this. We normally arrange a pickup for a successful applicant from the station. So once you get to London, from wherever country you're coming from, they will arrange a pickup for you. And once you arrive, you are required to complete a DBS check, okay? And they will provide you with what they call a soldo card. So prior to your traveling expenses and every expenses related to your visa acquisition, they will be paid back to you in this card. It will be spread over time, over time you stay there, they will spread it. So every money you spend before coming to that organization will be refunded back to you. Okay, all right. Now they said for all the expenses that you have that you have done, it is important to keep receipts so that you can be able to claim them. All right, definitely you have to keep receipts. Okay, now let's see what the government is saying about this. This is the official website for UK, and this is charity visa, like I've been saying before. Now look at this. As quick as 3 weeks you can find yourself in the UK. That is if you want to come with this route. And one thing I've been able to discover, like from my research, I've been able to discover that people can always extend their visa. Look at it here. You can extend your visa. When you click on this, it will take you there. And apart from that, you can also switch. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box where it states that you can switch from a temporary worker visa to a skilled worker visa or the health and care. All right, so these are the goodies that I was able to find out that you can do. So with these companies, you don't have to spend a dime because they are refunding you everything you are spending. All right, and the best thing about it is that you can come with your spouse. Look at it here. Your partner and your children. Okay, your partner, it says your partner and children can also apply to join you and stay in the UK as your dependent. All right, if they are eligible. The eligibility there is talking about if you can fund them, like if you can pay their visa fee and little things you can do. So this is a good opportunity if you are looking towards coming to the UK, to stay in the UK, and at least the goal is to have an indefinite leave to remain. Okay, so this is why I've brought this to us, and I believe people might be interested and might need this opportunity to go down to the UK. So please share this video to people that you feel might need this. Do not forget to like this video because it helps the algorithm and it's actually free. All right, just hit the like button. Just hit the like button. As simple as it is. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to be dropping the links on the description box, but the particular link I will leave in this description box is the one you could read up to see that you can actually change your visa, like switch your visa from the charity work visa to a skilled worker visa or the health and care. All right, so do not be afraid. I always say it, there is no harm in trying. I always say this, always be bold, apply, and if you need me to take care of your CV, like to review it, that is what I can do at the moment. I can't write up a new CV for anybody because of my tight schedule. All I can do is to help you review it and make necessary corrections and let you know what you should improve and what you should take off. Okay, now if you want me to do that for you, please send me an email to my email address ellauchegroup@gmail.com. Okay, if that is okay, I'm also going to be dropping a link for a video for you to write the UK standard CV. For those that have not seen that, you need to see that and know how to write your UK standard CV. One thing you should understand that when you're writing your CV is this: make sure that you sell yourself the best. Make sure that you make the person on the other end inquisitive to know you better, to know you more. All right, so guys, let's dive on this, and if this is what you want, please apply immediately so that by next year, as we are saying Happy New Year, you're finding yourself in this country, the UK, of course. Please don't forget to like this video. Like this video. It doesn't hurt to like a video. It's not something you have to pay. It's actually free. So like this video so the algorithm can help it, and I really appreciate those that have been liking it, and I love you guys. I love you so much for your support. Thank you so much. All right. And guys, I will see you on my next video, and expect it's because it's coming really, really, really hot. So I'll see you guys next week, Thursday, by this time. All right. Bye, guys. And I love you. Do not forget to be the best you can be at all times. I love you.